Every once in a while, someone drops a project so bold, so ambitious, so unexpected that it forces people to look twice. And that's exactly what has just happened in Asaba, Delta State. Because right now, in the heart of Delta State, a quiet revolution is happening, a brand new mega development called Cubana Millennium City. And the man at the center of it all, Obi Igbo, the man you all know as Obi Cubana. But see, this story is not just about real estate, it's about vision, regional pride, and it's about pressure, criticism, support, and let's be honest, the complicated conversation around Igbo investments in Nigeria. So sit back, relax, because the video you're about to watch breaks down everything: the dream the Backlash is currently receiving, the questions people are asking, and the bigger picture behind this brand new banana island of the South. Let's begin. So, a few days ago, Obi Cubana took to his verified Instagram page and dropped a video, nothing too loud, nothing too dramatic, just pure progress, massive land leveling, heavy machinery, sand filling, survey work, and a caption that instantly caught fire. He said this is the banana island of the entire South, South, and Southeast. The project is called Cubana Millennium City, and it's not just a one-man show, it's a collaboration of big players, Igbo billionaires from the Southeast, under the Cubana Group ecosystem. There is the Casa Cubana Homes, Sea Energy Oil, Abigail Mwankwo, Pillars Oil, and Emeka Pointek. Powerful names, serious business people who are big-time Igbo billionaires, people who know exactly what it takes to build a city from scratch. When Obi said, "This is the banana island of the South, South, and Southeast," he wasn't exaggerating. This project is massive, this project is strategic, and this project is about to change the skyline of Asaba permanently. And as the excitement grew, so did the noise. Let's be honest, it's a question we've heard too many times. Why are Igbo businessmen not investing in Igbo land? Why is everything always in Lagos or Abuja? Why put a project this big in Asaba? And suddenly people were shocked. Wait, Obi Cubana is putting a ₦1 billion project in the Southeast and South-South. Real estate, luxury homes, a new urban district. People did not know how to feel. Was it pride? Was it doubt? Was it fear? Was it excitement? Mixed reactions everywhere. Here's the truth. Asaba is booming. It's peaceful. Land is available. Government is supportive. The population is expanding rapidly. The film industry is growing there too. And most importantly, it is favoring the Igbo billionaires, unlike in places like Lagos. So from a business standpoint, this project makes perfect sense. But the online reactions, Nigerians do not disappoint. After posting the updates days ago, instead of celebration, Obi Cubana got attacked from angles he probably did not expect. People said, "How are you pouring sand when there is unrest in the country? People are suffering and you are building estates. This is not the time to do projects. Your people are facing issues. How can you be unbothered?" And guess what? Many of the criticisms came from Igbo commenters, which raises a question. Why do we attack our own? Why do we question someone building infrastructure, creating jobs, boosting the local economy, and expanding the region? Why blame him for things he did not cause? Obi Cubana is not the president. He's not the military. He's not a state governor. He's a businessman, a builder, a private citizen trying to create something. So why the insults? Why the negativity? Why the frustration directed at him? Because here's the uncomfortable truth. People are tired. People are angry. People feel unheard, and many times they vent at the wrong person. They are not attacking Obi Cubana the man. They are attacking Obi Cubana the symbol of success in a time where many people feel stuck. Does that mean he should stop building? Does that mean he should fold his hands and wait? Absolutely not. Obi Cubana is doing the exact same thing people begged Igbo entrepreneurs to do for decades. Ndi Igbo have begged Igbo brothers and sisters to come down to the east or other places to do their business, places that is not Lagos or Abuja. Now Obi Cubana is finally doing this. He is being attacked. Invest at home, build at home, grow your region, develop your land, and now that someone is doing it, the same people are shouting, why now? Why here? Why like this? It's contradictions everywhere, which brings us to an important angle. There's something very interesting about the Igbo community in Nigeria. They are known for building, they are known for transforming, they are known for turning deserts into cities, but they also face one of the toughest dilemmas: where to invest. When they invest in Lagos, people say, why not your hometown? When they invest in the southeast, others say it is not safe enough or it's not the right time. When they invest in Abuja, people say you abandoned your base. When they invest in their state, people say there is no security. Why waste your money? So tell me, what exactly do people want? Because whether we like it or not, Cubana Millennium City is jobs, infrastructure, opportunities, land value increase, regional development, business expansion, real estate growth, and that benefits everyone, not just Obi Cubana. Asaba has something special going for it. It's peaceful, it's strategically located, it has a booming entertainment industry, it has investors, it's a gateway city between the southeast and the south-south, and most importantly, it is ready for growth. For anyone who understands numbers, trends, and expansion, Asaba is a gold mine waiting to explode. So Obi Cubana made a move that is both emotional and strategic, a move rooted in identity, pride, and business logic. He didn't abandon Southeast, he simply diversified, he expanded, he took development home, and honestly, that deserves respect, because Nigerians are emotional, because the country is tough, because people want someone to blame, because whenever someone successful makes a move, it shines a light on everyone else's frustration. But here's the lesson: you cannot stop building because the country is in a tough season. If everyone waits, nothing will ever move. No progress, no projects, no development. Obi Cubana is doing what many wish they could do, continuing despite the chaos. Cubana Millennium City is more than an estate, it's a statement and a symbol. So, whether critics like it or not, Asaba is about to become a luxury hotspot. Cubana Millennium City will raise property value, it will attract new investments, influence migration patterns, boost economic activity. So, when you watch the video of Cubana Millennium City taking shape, remember this: a man does not stop building because the world is shaking. He builds so the world can stabilize.